ocean is vast, and the deeper you go, the stranger it gets. Down in the deep sea, thousands of meters below the surface, sunlight disappears. What's left is crushing pressure, icy temperatures, and darkness so complete it feels alien. Yet life not only survives here, it thrives. Let's begin with the anglerfish. A small, terrifying predator with a glowing lure hanging from its head. In the dark, this light draws prey close, and in an instant it strikes. Then there's a gulper eel. With a mouth so large it can swallow animals its own size. It doesn't hunt with speed. It simply waits in silence, jaw open, until something swims too close. You'll also find glass squid, nearly transparent, drifting like ghosts. Some flash bright pulses of light to confuse predators. Others just vanish into the deep. And then the vampire squid. It doesn't suck blood, despite the name. Instead, it floats with cloak-like arms, collecting falling debris and dead matter from above. It lives slow, soft, and completely adapted to the abyss. Defend themselves. In a world without sunlight, light becomes language. These are just a few examples. Scientists estimate that more than 90% of deep-sea species are still undiscovered. Every dive into the abyss brings something new, something strange, glowing, or completely unknown. The deep sea is not empty. It's alive, just beyond our reach, full of creatures we're only beginning to understand.